In this video, we'll explore how CloudOffix Sales Cloud supports a smooth and efficient sales process from start to finish. Let's dive in and see it in action. Our journey begins as potential customer Lacey Wolf visits our website. She fills out the Contact Us form to express her interest in purchasing on-premise software. Once the form is submitted, a new lead is created in CloudOffix CRM. The system assigns the new lead to Kane for further action. Kane reviews the contact details of the new lead, Lacey, and her interest in CloudOffix's products. He reaches out to Lacey via email to ask detailed questions to ensure he fully understands her needs. He then sets the lead stage as contacting. With Lacey's reply on the engaging stage, Kane gathers details about the type of servers, software licenses, and consulting services Lacey needs for Tech War. After the conversation, Kane recognizes that Lacey and Tech War have a strong interest in moving forward with Global Company. He updates the CRM to convert the lead to an opportunity, marking a significant step in the sales process. With the goal of aligning the proposal with Lacey's needs, Kane uses the Send Schedule email feature to send Lacey an email with a link to his calendar. With this link, she can select a meeting slot that would suit both parties. This clever feature avoids back-and-forth emailing traffic. He ensures that the discussion will cover every detail necessary for the proposal. Lacey receives the email sent from Kane. She opens it, clicks the link which takes her to Kane's calendar. Lacey can now see Kane's calendar. Here, she can see the times he is available and select the best suitable meeting slot. She submits and will receive a new email with a calendar invitation. Lacey receives the email containing the meeting invitation along with the calendar invite. She now needs to confirm the invitation by clicking the Yes button to confirm her attendance. After their first meeting, Kane jumps into action, configuring the products Lacey's interested in: 2 servers, software licenses, and consulting services. As he adds each item, he hits Save and New because he hasn't completed adding products. This keeps everything organized and ready for the next steps. Lacey had hoped to get 2 servers, so Kane makes sure to add both to the quotation. However, just as he's about to finalize, a CloudOffix alert pops up. Only 1 server is currently in stock. No problem. Kane knows this won't slow him down. He adds the available server to the quote, fully aware that he can place a purchase order for the second server right from within the system, seamlessly bridging the gap between sales and procurement. Kane adds the available one and heads over to the Purchase app to order the missing server. In the Purchase app, he starts by clicking the New button to create a fresh purchase request. He searches for the right product vendor, selects the server needed, and completes the purchase order with just a few clicks. Once the order is placed, Kane keeps an eye on the stock arrival, ready to validate the delivery as soon as the server arrives. With purchasing and stock validation complete, Kane returns to his quotation, picking up exactly where he left off without missing a beat. Navigating back to the home page, he selects the Sales app and reopens the quotation to continue his work. He updates the server to 2 as Lacey had hoped for. He double-checks the details and sends it to Lacey. But before the email is sent, Kane gets one last chance to edit the email, adjust the body, confirm addresses, and attach extras if needed. Lacey, she can review and sign it online by clicking the link in her email. Lacey gets Kane's email and clicks the link to view and respond to the quotation online. The link takes Lacey to the page where she can review and then respond with her requests and changes. She clicks on the Ask Changes to ask for a discount before deciding whether to accept or reject the offer. She writes her request and clicks Send. This is how easy it is. Now all she needs to do is wait for a reply from Kane. Kane receives the message Lacey sent through the quotation online straight in the chatter section on his screen. He sees that Lacey mentions a discount would make the offer more appealing. Discounts can easily be applied by percentage or by amount. He sets to make the necessary changes to the quotation by applying a discount for her.
One-size-fits-all pricing doesn't always work. Some customers expect discounts, others need custom deals. What can we do?
No problem. With CloudOffix, you can create multiple price lists and assign them to different customers easily. CloudOffix makes custom pricing effortless. Lacey reviews the final quotation and, being happy with the discount received, and approves it online by clicking Accept. Now she can sign online in the box. Following this step, she can view the order details and even download a copy if she wishes. Once confirmed, the quotation has now converted into a sales order in CloudOffix, marking the formal start of the fulfillment process. Since the quotation has made it to the sales order stage, Kane will now make sure the necessary changes are made, such as the project tasks being created, start the delivery process, and begin the subscription cycle. Notice how Kane didn't have to create any of the before-mentioned processes. CloudOffix automatically creates the necessary steps. Kane initiates the order fulfillment process for Lacey's purchase. The warehouse team begins preparing and shipping the servers. The system automatically generates and activates the necessary software licenses, and the project management team schedules the consulting sessions to ensure that every aspect of the order is fulfilled smoothly and on time. Now that the sales order is fully processed, an invoice can be generated. Thanks to CloudOffix's invoicing module, this process is as easy as clicking the Create Invoice button, then following the steps to complete the procedure. Kane validates the invoice, so that is now ready to be sent to Lacey. Once the invoice has been validated, it can then be sent to Lacey by email. Lacey can view the invoice straight from her email, as per the previous documents sent, and she can proceed to pay her dues. Upon receiving the payment, the transaction is recorded in CloudOffix by clicking Register Payment. With this step, the status of the invoice is updated to paid, and the financial part of the process has been completed. With CloudOffix Sales Cloud, Global Co has everything it needs to drive results, from the first click to the final payment. It's not just about managing sales, it's about transforming them. From lead generation to final payment, CloudOffix keeps your business moving seamlessly, streamlining operations and powering smarter decisions every step of the way.